Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, I got a new tool for the bench here, so I thought we'd open it up and take a look at it. I've been wanting a desoldering gun for quite a long time, and I saw this one at a very reasonable price. Found it on eBay. So let's take a look at it. I don't know how to pronounce this. Yihua, maybe? 948. It's not a complete soldering station. As you know, I've already got my soldering station. So let's take a look here. It's just the, should be just the gun. It is. And hopefully it has a American power cord. Let's take a look. Hey, alright. No adapters. No idea what that was. It's got a paddle. Looks like a bunch of filters and springs and cleaning parts. Here's the gun. Not bad looking. These and the hoses can handle the heat, but they do. Put the stand out. I'm going to have to get the big boy out first. A little chunky, not too bad, but you know, don't like things that are too lightweight, so maybe I can get the stand out of here, maybe not. Okay, and we've got some extra tips, which is great. In fact, it can look like they're different sizes, nothing else. Get this box off the bench and out of the way. Okay. Let's take a look at what we got. Got a power cord. Again, I don't know what this little black paddle thing is. I'll figure it out. I'll read the manual at some point. Here's the gun. Oh, it looks pretty substantial. I mean, none of it looks like chintzy, really cheap or lightweight. So, you know, handle seems to be pretty solid. Question is, does it work? And how well it works. And I'm not going to do a review. I'm not going to hook it up and use it and do that kind of stuff in this video, I don't think. I just want to unbox it here, show what comes with it, and see how hard it is put together, which right now it looks like you just hook the hose up and plug the plug in basically, put the electrical cord in, but I like the stand. Hang on just a minute here. Getting out some of the paperwork. Important documents. What is it? Registration stuff. We can worry about that at another time. We don't need to worry about that right now. Okay, what other paperwork and stuff I have? Anything we need to know? Manual is in English. None of it looks very complicated. I don't see any big warnings to hold up, don't do this. Tie wrap off, we'll hook it up. See how long the cord is. That was one of the thoughts I had. Kind of looks like it'll be long enough. Yeah, plenty long. Just got a connector, basically like a ham radio microphone to hook up here, and it looks like the hose just literally pushes on. Haven't seen any hose connectors. Doesn't look like it needs it. It sticks on pretty good. Plenty of hose. Gun feels good. Release here. Release it so you can clean it out. Stand looks decent. So, yeah, hooks in. Yeah, pretty good. curious about. Takes to warm up would be one of the things I'd be curious about. The big gun, it's got a lot of metal to heat up. And I guess it needs a lot of thermal mass because when you start sucking air through it, you don't want it to drop below melting temperature really quick. So imagine it's going to take a minute to warm up, but kind of like the look of it so far. Hopefully it works as good as it looks. Really like they gave you a US power cord. I hate when you buy Chinese soldering tools and things and they send you the European cords and adapters and tips all got solder on it. I caught something as I was skipping through there about they all have solder on them. It's to protect them from corrosion, I guess. So let's flip it on. And away it goes. I through the book. No big stars or, look out, don't plug this in before doing this. Sort of like UPSs when you get them and big red stickers, connect the battery before you connect UPS. Looks pretty straightforward. Basically, let it get hot enough. It beeps to let you know it's ready. Okay, just been looking over the paperwork and stuff. Decided to skip ahead 3 minutes, and no reason for y'all to sit here and watch the temperature go up while I'm reading things. So we're getting pretty close to it being up to temperature. Looking over this stuff, looks like these are filter pads and extra springs for inside the gun as it gets plugged up with solder where you clean it out. Little cleaning tools for different orifices and such. So it's not a bad pack. Nice additional tips, different size holes for different through holes. It's up to temp, but okay, there it goes. Man, that's loud. You ain't gonna miss this thing being warmed up. So anyway, let's see what we got here. Still got the solder on the tip. But just a little fresh solder, I think, on the tip here. See if it's up to temp and yep. And suck that stuff right up. I think this is going to work really well. Don't have anything to use it on the moment to demonstrate it, but I'm sure we'll get to use it quite a bit later on. Turn the temp down here some, so I'm going to check on the temperature you use, but I'm happy. So hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.